Okay, day 6. Let me show you what we've got. Here's our beloved clock, and as you can see, I've figured out how to increment it quickly. Now, here's the problem. As you can just see, it requires a constant 1600 hertz carrier. As long as that holds up, I can push pulses to it in a meaningful way. As you can see here, the fast increment, well, what I call a fast increment, works. Just turns out it takes, I think, I want to say 10 bits per packet, if you will, to get it right. And I managed to figure out what the sequence is to get it to just increment by 1. It's carrying on its own. As you see, it gets up to 59, it'll roll over and add a minute. Dink, there you go. One of the interesting thing that it does, if you can see here, the beginning of the program actually, I have 2 functions built, long story short. One of them is the fast increment, the other one is to zero it. Figured out that pattern. So let's, we can call that by resetting our Arduino, because that's the first function call that it does. Before it starts incrementing, it'll zero it out. So here it goes. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. And it'll start over. One more time. Just for grins. Very nice. Now here's the problem though. When I increment, if I do it quickly, it sort of keeps pace and it sort of stays in sync. But if I tell it to increment just like once every 1 second, after about a minute and a half, it sort of starts to go into the ditch. It derails. It's like it needs constant patting on the head in order to be, you know, to stay accurate. So even though I'm making progress on the, by doing it the hard way, you know, by pumping signal to it, it may be that what I'm doing happens so infrequently from its perspective that it sort of kind of gets distracted or may lose interest in the signal and what I'm telling it. Very, very frustrating sometimes. Still happy about it. I mean, I'm still making my progress bit by bit by bit, but it may, you know, I haven't ruled out, you know, the idea that ultimately I'll probably end up having to cut the traces and drive the tubes manually. But as it is right now, we're making progress. I can increment quickly and I can zero it. Let me try it again here. 3, 2, 1, reset, 0, increment. There you go. Pretty good. That's it for now.